postmortem number 1101 of 2026. This, my lord, is postmortem is in respect of Seryange Ignatius, who is a male juvenile of preschool age. This postmortem was conducted by Dr. Katongole Abdul on the 2nd of April 2026. The doctor found the body of Seryange to be cold and with primary flaccidity, and it was severely pale. Evidence of trauma. There was a 14-centimeter long open wound on the right side of the neck, which was longer than it was deep. This wound was located at 69 centimeters from the right heel. 69, my lord. 69 centimeters from the right heel and 4 centimeters from the anterior midline. The wound was characterized by smooth edges and regular margins. The wound extended to the back of the neck in a horizontal plane. In a horizontal plane, my lord. The wound was deep, transecting through the skin fascia. Fascia, my lord, is FASCIA, and underlying neck muscles, comma, injuring the internal jugular vein, comma, vagus nerve and branches of the subclavian artery. Subclavian, my lord, is SUBCLAVIAN. Subclavian artery and vertebral artery.
Please tell that again.
SUBCLAVIAN.
Okay.
subclavian artery and vertebral artery in the neck. The doctor found that the above descriptions were consistent with deep cut injuries. The doctor also found that there was another 4-centimeter long cut wound. There was another 4-centimeter long cut wound located on the right submandibular region. Submandibular, my lord, is SUBMANDIBULAR. Submandibular region at just 3 centimeters above the deep cut wound described above. This is only superficial, involving the skin, fascia. Was hypervolemic shock following deep cut injuries to the neck. Dr. Katongole Abdul, on the 2nd day of April 2026, it also bears a stamp of Kampala Capital City Mortuary Police.
Ekiwandiiko ekyokusatu kye bakaanyizaako ye postmortem oba ebbaluwa gye bakebererako